guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cute little birdie here. You can see I'm wearing him right now. So first of all, go to home page. You have to wait, of course. And then instead of home, you want to write promote codes. Promote codes. Then you press enter. And then you can enter your code. Alright, so the code is TWEET, and then caps lock, and then write in Roblox. So the code, it's tweet Roblox, okay guys? Yeah, so it's tweet Roblox. So you go ahead and enter this code right here, tweet Roblox, and then you press redeem, and then it'll show it's redeemed. And then if you go back to your avatar, you should have the bird. I don't have it because I have already done the code. Because if I do it again and again and again, then it's like none left, guys. So you can only use this code one time. You could help your friends do it too. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this all helped you, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.